Got an event coming up? Meeting customers face to face? Usually what happens is you end up sending people to a form or pushing them to a landing page. And honestly, that experience is just not built for events. So here's what we built in Knock. Instead of a form, you create a mobile-first marketing card for the event. No developer, no designer, just a few clicks and you're ready. You get one link or one QR code and you can start sharing it immediately. Inside the card, you put everything you actually want a prospect to see. Your key content in any language. And the most important part, the actions. You can embed Knock DM links so they can message you instantly. You can embed scheduling links so they can book time right there. And now the best part. This card is fully trackable. You see every person who opened it. You see what they clicked, what they viewed, and what they engaged with. It enriches immediately and syncs to your CRM right away, not days after the event when it's already cold. Let me show you how to create one. Step 1. Create the event card and add the event details. This is important because later you'll be able to measure performance per event and compare it to other initiatives. Step 2. Pick the engagement buttons. DM link, scheduling, pricing, deck, case study, whatever you want this audience to do. Step 3. Add social buttons so they can jump to your LinkedIn, website, G2, YouTube. Step 4. Edit the title and the text so it matches the event and the people you're meeting. Make it specific. That's where conversion happens. Step 5. Branding. By default, it matches your brand colors, and if you want, you can tweak the design per card. Now you go to the event, you show the QR code. They scan it. They get the wow moment on mobile, and they can save it. They can send it to a teammate. They can come back later. Meanwhile, you're seeing everything live and knock. And once someone converts, they're in your CRM immediately with enrichment. Let's knock.